Hello and welcome to another video. This is Just Retired. Graham and Ev here. How are you, Ev?
Good. It's a beautiful, cool, cloudy day, Graham.
It is. We're in Portland in Victoria, and you can see behind us the Portland Cable Trams, and we're going to take a ride on the Portland Cable Tram. Now this tram is set up to resemble the old cable trams that they had in the streets of Melbourne many years ago, and I believe that they have two main cars that obviously they rotate, I guess, from time to time, and yes, they are identical to the cable tram except for the diesel engine which operates it. It's not actually a cable tram, but it's meant to look the same.
So we're going to have a ride on that today?
We are.
Oh, that sounds great.
Lots of things to see. There's some great scenery. It takes you along the foreshore, and there's various other things, places you can visit while you're here in Portland. So let's go on the Portland Cable Tram.
Let's go, Graham.
So this is our driver, Ray. Ray, thanks very much for driving us today on the Portland Cable Tram.
You're welcome to.
And you tell me that you've done some incredible amounts of trips on the tram. Can you tell us the numbers?
I've done nearly 4,000 trips of driving and 900 trips of conductoring.
Yeah, so you must love it.
I enjoy it. I love meeting the people.
Yeah.
I'm here on my own.
Well, thanks very much, Ray. It's been a marvellous trip, and looking forward to the trip back to the main station.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks, Ray.
When you ride the Portland Cable Tram, make sure you also allow some extra time at the main station, either before your ride or when you return, to have a look at the great souvenir shop, the model railway and the museum.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome aboard Portland Cable Tram. From Woody tomorrow night, so we will reach Woody tomorrow morning. That sounds good. I like the two packets.
Well, wasn't that fun, Graham?
That was really fantastic.
A lot to see. I really liked the way the trucks were unloading the wood chips onto the wood chip piles. That was really interesting.
Yeah, there's so much scenery to see, and a few different buildings like museums and that type of thing that you can look at while you're here as well. But a very informative trip, because we had a guide who was just constantly telling us history of Portland and all the details. So it's a fantastic day.
Really good. Come and have a look. You'll love it.
Well, thank you very much for watching another episode of Just Retired, and we'll return soon. Bye for now.
Bye.
Take it easy.
Yeah, take it easy, Graham.
Thank you. Bye.